Tim and Chuck doing a little four-wheeling here. Curl. Down there with the bikes. It's a pretty big cliff there. We're about to cross that brook and continue up that way on the trail. We're gonna make a tag on our GPS for this spot. Looks like a pretty good spot. Stand beside that cliff there. It's huge. Bet you this would be a good spot to stop and have a little fire and a couple of beers. What are you saying? Fire pit.